Welcome to instant cooking. Today I am making chili biscuit. For this we need whole red chili, milk, baking powder, salt, refined flour and butter. So in a grinder, grind whole red chili to make chili flakes. Now in a bowl add 100 grams of refined flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Now add butter. Mix it well. Now add milk and make a dough. Now our dough is ready. So in a plate sprinkle chili flakes. Now add dough and press it. Sprinkle some more chili flake on other side and press it. Flat it evenly. Now cut the biscuits on whatever shape or size you want. Now on preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius, bake it for 25 minutes. Your crispy hot chili biscuit is ready. Thank you.